Hello, alrighty, this is a video for my Grammar Group 1 SEAL students. So this is the easier one where we're going to just practice our present simple and present continuous usage. So I have attached 4 exercises to the email for your virtual lesson. And so in this video, I'm just going to give a short explanation on how to do each one so that, just in case you're unsure. So in the first one, okay, they are all labeled December 4th, Group 1, Exercise 1, 2, 3, or 4. So right now, I'm looking at present simple and present continuous exercise number 1. So on this one, all you have to do is look at the sentence that you see and change the words in the brackets, right? You have, like for example, in the first one, you have you/come. So we know that you, right, is the subject or the pronoun in the sentence, and come is the verb, okay? If you see the word not, you know that it is a negative sentence. If you have that pronoun you and the verb, and if you see a question mark at the end of the sentence, then you know it needs to be in question form. So in this exercise, we are practicing both present simple and present continuous. We are practicing negatives, questions, and just the regular affirmative statement, so all of them. Now the first step to this exercise number 1, okay? The first step to this is you need to figure out, okay, which tense is it? Is this something that is happening right now in this moment only? If yes, it's present continuous. Or is this something that happens usually or all the time? Then it would be present simple. So let's do the first one together to get you started. So the first one here, we know it's a question because we see the question mark at the end of the sentence, and we see you and come. So it has the pronoun in the sentence, but it doesn't tell us what order it needs to go in. That's a clue because in questions, that order is switched. So in this one, tonight. Tonight is something that's happening either in the future or right now. But we're not looking at the future right now. We're only looking at the present. So we're talking about tonight. This means this one night in the present. So that suggests it's right now. It's happening right now. It doesn't say every night or Thursday nights. It says tonight. That's like today, it's now. So that tells me, okay, we need to use present continuous. So step 1, find out which tense to use. Okay? Step 2, now that we know which tense it is, we know it's a question, we can use the formula for present continuous questions. So to do that, we would need are first, because it's you, right? I am, you are, he, she, it is, this is are. So are you, and then verb plus ing, coming tonight. Are you coming tonight? Okay? Next one, we see it's also a question, but we have the words every day. Every day. So this tells me, oh, it's not right now, it's not right now only, it's all the time, every day. So every day, okay, that's present simple. Continuous, now, simple, every day. So, okay, we know we're using present simple. That's easy. We don't have to worry about am, is, or are. We see it's a question. Okay, there's a question mark at the end. We see the pronoun he and it with the verb in the beginning. So let's see, okay, what is the formula? Check your notes. What's the formula for present simple questions? Well, we need do or does, then he, eat. And that's it. Now remember, he, she, or it, we add the S, and in questions in negative, that S is on the do. So here, it's does he. Does he eat? Does he eat rice every day? There you go. Sorry, Georgia's barking. Georgia, shush, honey. Shush, honey. It's okay. Mommy's working. She's a little excited because Daddy's coming home from work right away. Let me pause. Okay, there. I paused. I think she's quiet now. So let's continue. Okay, so that's exercise number 1. Okay, so continue on like that. We did a couple hard ones, the question ones together. So hopefully the other ones, the plain, simple ones that are just affirmative statements, and the negative ones are also good for you. Check your notes, review your notes. You have done this before. You can do this. The hard part is figuring out, okay, is it now, present continuous, or all the time, present simple? Okay, that is exercise number 1. So, if you want to go and try exercise number 1, before hearing the instructions for exercise 2 and 3 and so on, you can pause the video now, go do it, and then come back to this video. So, however you want to do it. Pause. Okay, there. Now, if you've paused and come back, welcome back. If you just keep watching, then hi again. I don't know. So we've already gone over exercise 1 for group 1. Let's continue with exercise 2. So in this exercise 2, December 4th, group 1, exercise 2 is the document. This one is similar to the last one, in which we need to choose and figure out if this sentence should be in present simple for everyday events or present continuous for something happening right now. So we have to look at what we have here. Do we have questions? Do we have negative? Do we just have straightforward verbs? What do we need? And I do see some questions in there. There's some negatives as well. It's just very, very similar practice to exercise 1. So let's do the first one together, then you can do the rest by yourself. Number 1 is you not like chocolate. So we have not and like in the brackets. So we know it's going to be negative because we have the word not, and we know the verb is like. Now this is something that we need to figure, okay, not liking chocolate. Is that something that happens only right now in this exact moment, or is that something that doesn't change? Well, if someone likes chocolate right now, they probably like chocolate tomorrow. If they don't like chocolate today, they probably don't like chocolate tomorrow and the next day and the rest of the week, right? Maybe one day they change their mind, but most of the time, everyday basis, no change. So that means we need to use present simple for every day, all the time. Good. Okay, so now we need the formula for present simple negative. Check your notes. Check your booklets, your grammar booklets I gave you. Check your stuff. Check your examples. Okay, so to do that, to do negative, right? If we do positive, it's you like chocolate. Easy. We don't need to add an S because there's not a he, she, or it. It's you, so you like chocolate. But because it's negative, we need to change it, right? So present simple negative, we add do and not before the verb. So we can say you do not like chocolate, or we can say you don't like chocolate. I feel like that should have like an exclamation at the end. You don't like chocolate? Are you crazy? I don't know. Because what? Who doesn't like chocolate? Some people don't like chocolate. Maybe it's too rich, too sweet, whatever. I am clearly not one of those people. I love chocolate. Christmas is coming. Hint, hint. No, I'm just kidding. So anyway, alright, just forget I said that. There's your example for exercise number 2. So continue on, same thing. If you want to pause here and do the exercise, and then hear the next explanation, now's the time to pause. So pause Okay, there. If you're back, welcome back. Welcome to explanation number 3. If you're just watching the whole thing at once, then I'm sorry. Okay, let's do December 4th, Group 1, Exercise 3. So for this one, again, we are doing just present simple for Exercise 3. On the actual worksheet, it says present simple form, be and other verbs, mixed Exercise 1. Just so you know what I'm talking about. The title of the file is December 4th, Group 1, Exercise 3. So in this Exercise 3, this mixed Exercise 1, however you want to talk about it, we're just doing present simple. So you don't have to choose between present simple and present continuous for this one. It's only present simple. So what you need to do is just, is it a positive, a negative, or a question? So it's pretty much the same thing that we do in class with the practice. We're going a little bit easier now to give you guys more of an ease out, a little break from the harder first 2 exercises. So this one, it will use questions, it will use negatives, it will play with the verb to be as well, so it might use the verb to be, like I am without a verb after, right, because it's not present continuous. So that's all. That's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So first one would just be, okay, be. What form of to be goes with I? I am. There's no other verb there, so we just say I am in a cafe now. There's no question mark. There's no, it's not a negative. It's just a simple, straightforward, I am in a cafe now. Okay? If you see the pronoun in the brackets with a question mark at the end, you know it's a question. Look at your notes for how to make present simple questions. If you see a not or a no in the brackets, then you know it's a negative, so look at your notes for present simple negative and follow that, practice that. So that one, that's all that is. Easy. Okay? So now, if you want to pause and finish December 4th Group 1 Exercise 3 before hearing the instructions for Exercise 4, now is the time you can pause again. Pause. Okay. Alright, if you paused, then welcome back again. If you didn't, and you're just sitting through all this weird pausing, thank you for your patience. Okay, last one here, last exercise for Group 1. This exercise attached to your email is called December 4th Group 1 Exercise 4. That's the name of the file. Click on that. When you actually open the file, at the top of the file, there's that little logo with the P, like this. You see the little P logo? It's backwards on the video, but you get the idea. And the title is Present Continuous, All Forms Exercise 3. So this last one here that I'm talking about, we're only practicing present continuous. So only present continuous. So what you have here is a collection of words, some punctuation, and you need to take that collection of words, the most important things in the sentence, and turn them into the proper sentence in the proper present continuous tense. So let's look at the first one together. So number 1, in brackets, it says I, and it says be silly with a question mark. I be silly. So we have the pronoun I, we have the be, right? That's the verb, and then we have the rest of the sentence. What are you being? Well, silly, okay? Then we also have a question mark. So we know it is a question. Okay. We know we're only doing present continuous, so we don't have to figure anything out. We just have to look at our formula for present continuous questions and plug in the words we see. So for this, I be silly, it's a question, right? But if we said I am being, that's our present continuous. I plus the form of to be, right? In this case, I am. It might be you are, they are, we are, or he or she or it is, right? This case is I am being plus the ing. So I am being silly. However, this is a question. So we need to change this from the simple affirmative positive statement into the interrogative or the question. So now this needs to be, am I being silly? So to form the question, we just switch I and am. So instead of I am being silly, we're saying, am I being silly? Am I being silly right now? Yes. Am I being silly? Yes, Amanda. You're silly. So you're just taking these few words in the sentence and forming a full sentence. It doesn't have to be complicated, or you don't have to add anything. You just have to use the basic structure for present continuous, and you're good. So this is a great way to practice. Could be a little challenging, but once you get the hang of it, it'll be easy, the rest of it, okay? Yes, so there's 20 questions on that exercise. You have a lot of questions, a lot of practice to do for every single one of these 4. Don't worry about it if you are struggling with any of them or if you can't get all 4 done. That is a lot. So just do the ones that work for you. Do the ones that challenge you a little bit too. If you find it hard, keep trying. Ask somebody. You can ask a classmate. You know, we have comments on these videos. You can comment to each other. I don't think anybody else on YouTube is going to watch these. This is the only reason I put these on YouTube is so that it's easy. You can click the link instead of downloading a whole video. But nobody else is going to watch these. So go ahead and comment to each other, and you can help each other with these exercises if you want. Otherwise, keep the questions that are really challenging that you can't quite get or you're not sure about, and we will review them when I return. So try to do all of them if you can. And you know, if it's too hard or you can't get it, if you really can't, even after trying, then don't worry about it because I will help you. Okay? Good job. Good work. If you have not been pausing and you want to go ahead and work on all of these right now, please do so. Enjoy. I hope it's good, challenging, helpful practice for you. And if you have been pausing throughout and now it's time for you to finish exercise 4, please go ahead and do that too. That's it for this one. So good luck, have fun, and I will see you guys in the next little instructional video. Bye.